Hi guys, good morning. Nandito pa rin kami sa farm. Pam siya yung gumawa ng coffee and now naglilibing siya ng mga nabubulok kasi wala pa kaming proper disposal dito sa place na to. Nililibing niya yung mga nabubulok and then yung mga plastic and mga stuff na hindi namin matatapon. Yun, nakatabi naman yun. I think mag-harvest ulit kami ng eggplant mamaya or siya na lang para kainin namin for lunch. Kasi medyo late na rin for breakfast and yun, sasaing. So, I think we're just gonna be filming like a day in our van life kasi matagal na namin hindi nagagawa yun. Also, si Kate Garcia, she PM'd me through Instagram last night and she said na pa-shoutout daw kay Abby de la Cruz and I think it's her birthday. So, happy birthday sa January 25th. So I hope this goes out before January 25th.
Doing van life exposes me to outdoor elements like harsh sunlights, pollutants, and dirts. We are in a farm right now and there's no better feeling knowing that despite my lifestyle, my skin is all protected. Lana is an all-natural skincare and zero-waste lifestyle brand that lets you be you. It is non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog your pores. It's cruelty-free, meaning no animals were harmed in making this product, and I love that this is local and earth-friendly. My morning skincare routine starts with cleansing my face with Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser. It is a fragrance and soap-free formula that thoroughly cleanses and gently exfoliates while retaining the natural moisture of my skin. It has niacinamide or vitamin B3, which is a water-soluble vitamin that works with a natural substance in your skin, helping improve enlarged pores and even skin tone, fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. It also has vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce UV damage to the skin. I've been to skincare that deeply protects and hydrates my skin. And I'm very much in love with this Lana PH DNA Repair Elixir. It's an all-powerful skin serum that deeply hydrates, brightens, and shields my skin against everyday pollutants. It has collagen, which has an anti-aging property that helps make my skin look soft and bouncy. I always enjoy applying this serum because I can feel my skin soaking up all the moisture and I immediately feel the difference. While I let that soak up, I apply an eye cream. And since my skin can get extra dry, I also apply this Lana PH Argan Oil. It is also rich in vitamin E, which helps make my skin look soft and supple, heal acne-damaged skin cells, and reduce hyperpigmentation and scars. It can be used to nourish my face, my nails, my hair, and dry patches. And since I want to be a little bit extra, I also use this Lash and Brow Growth Serum. I already have full brows, so I only use it with my lashes. This mild formulation promotes hair growth, which helps make my lashes look fuller and thicker. And the most important product of them all, this Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock. It's a non-sticky matte finish, no white cast sunscreen that helps brighten my skin and even out dark spots which is caused by the sun. Always heading out to the beaches, falls, and other outdoor places makes me vulnerable to sun damages, and I would like to avoid wrinkles as much as I could. Nothing beats self-love after everything that has happened in the year 2020. And with that being said, Lana was generous enough to throw in an extra set for our first 2021 giveaway.
Spot ko dapat dito. And this kutsyon, nalagay ko siya dito sa sahig para comfortable ako. Tapos natapon yung coffee ko. natapon siya. Napunta siya dito sa ilalim ng bed. Yan, tapos pumunta siya doon. So, inangat ko yung mga lalagyan ko ng clothes. Kainis. Andito ako ngayon sa parang plantation ng eggplant. Ngayon pa lang ako kukuha. Si Pam kasi busy siya, nag-edit. Anyway, nakapulot din ako ng dried na upo. I think ito yung ginagawang lupa eh. So, babalatan ko ito mamaya. Baka pwedeng magamit as lupa. Doon kami nakapark sa may bandang, sa likod yata ng mga punong-punong yun. Tapos, ayan, may maliit na lake dyan. And, ito na yung plantation ng eggplant. So, kukuha muna ako ng eggplant. Ito din ako kasi ang dami mga sumasabit ng mga halaman. And medyo masakit siya. Kasugat-sugat na ako. Pero anyway, ayan o. May eggplant. Meron pa yung malaki. Yung mga ibang parts dito, medyo parang pasira na sila. Pero yung mga nandun sa dulo, medyo vibrant pa eh. Punta ko dun mamaya.
Alright, time for the giveaway. There will be one winner who will receive a package that includes Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser, DNA Repair Elixir, Lash and Brow Growth Serum, Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock, Argan Oil, Activated Charcoal Soap, Brightening Soap, and Age-Defying Soap that is worth $2,599. The mechanics are easy. First, you have to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Second, look for our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/officiallanaph and facebook.com/Phoebekhins. Follow us on Instagram at lana.ph and at Phoebekhins. On my Instagram account, look for the giveaway photo, comment which product you like best, and tag 3 friends. The cutoff is on January 23rd at 5 p.m. Any entries after that is no longer valid. The announcement of the winners will be on January 24th at 5 p.m. on my Instagram account. This giveaway is valid only in the Philippines. Shipping fee will be shouldered by the winners. Please check the rules on my description box to make sure you qualify. If you want to get a hold of these products as soon as possible, I have a link on my description box so you can get an exclusive 5% discount off of your purchase. I have been using this product since December, and many of you have noticed that my skin is improving and it seems that I am glowing. It's all thanks to Lana for helping me take care of my skin. Alright, that's it. I wish you all the best. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.